Hi everyone and welcome back to Newegg TV. My name is Paul and today we're going to be doing an overview on a new mechanical hard drive from Seagate. This is the Seagate Barracuda 2TB 7200 RPM mechanical hard drive, and the more specific model number that you see here is ST2000DM001. And at first glance this appears to be a pretty typical 3.5-inch hard drive. You can see, of course, the hard drive itself. Around here on the back you can see our serial ATA interface. This is compatible with serial ATA revision 3, 6 gigabit per second, so get some enhanced bandwidth there with that connection. As mentioned, they are 7200 RPM and they have a 64 megabyte cache. The thing that is a little bit more interesting about this drive is actually inside here, because the platters that this drive are using actually have 1 terabyte of capacity each. So for the 2 terabyte version here, you get two 1 terabyte platters, and more capacity on each platter essentially leads to a more efficient drive, and generally speaking you'll get better speed over having more density on that platter itself. There's also a 1 terabyte version and a 3 terabyte version of this drive that are forthcoming. Let's move over to our test bed and check out a few benchmarks. So here's a couple benchmarks that I ran real quick. Now bear in mind we are using evaluation copies of these drives, but the performance here should be indicative of the type of performance you'll see for the off-the-shelf drives that are available for sale. On the top here, these upper results are zero fill or compressible data results, and on the bottom are the incompressible data results. So you really don't see much of a difference here between the two tests, but you can see these sequential read and write speeds of 187.8 and 182.5. Very impressive for the sequential reads and writes. For mass storage, that's really what you want, is fast read and write speeds. This is a good reason to keep your drives defragmented so that it can get up to these higher read and write speeds when it's accessing the data off of those platters. Just to show you guys a quick point of comparison, I have the same crystal disk mark test here. This is on the Seagate Barracuda 3 terabyte hard drive, and you can see the results here by comparison. So you get a good 40 to 50 plus megabytes per second additional speed here with these new 1 terabyte platter drives. In case you guys are wondering, I am currently connecting these to the SATA revision 3 6 gigabit per second port on our test bed's motherboard, which is a Gigabyte Z68X UD7. And that's going to wrap it up for today's video on this Seagate Barracuda 7200 2 terabyte hard drive model ST2000DM001. I'm Paul with Newegg TV, and if you enjoyed today's video, please head over to our Newegg YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Newegg TV.